Chapter 200 Sunnah of the Asr Prayer. Hadith 1119. Ali ibn Abi Talib, may Allah be pleased with him, reported, the Prophet ﷺ used to perform 4 rak'ah before the Asr prayer, separating them with taslim on the favorite angels who
No, but you didn't read it correctly. When you said taslim, it's like salutation. No, taslim here is saying salam unto the angel. You continue the sentence. When you broke it,
okay?
you broke it, you thought it's like taslim, salamu alaikum. Now.
Yeah, I made a mistake. Separating them with taslim on the favorite angels who are near Allah's proximity, and the Muslims and the believers who come after them. At-Tirmidhi.
Which means tashahhud. So here the Prophet of Allah, he would pray before the Asr prayer, something maybe you never heard of. But it's not sunnah mu'akkada, ikhwani. It's not mu'akkada. It's not emphasized. 4 before the Asr, in such a way that they are 4 like the Dhuhr. You know the 4 obligatory Dhuhr? That means 2 rak'ah, tashahhud and 2 rak'ah. So that's sunnah. Also the Prophet ﷺ used to sometimes pray it. And this is Ali ibn Abi Talib radiallahu anhu. Not from Aisha radiallahu anhu. She used to be watching the Prophet more than Ali. Ali, he would see him, for example, in his traveling. So he used to pray here 4 rak'ah with 1 salutation, not 2 salutations. طيب. 11120, please.
Hadith 1120. Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with them, reported, the Prophet ﷺ said, may Allah have mercy on a man who performs 4 rak'ah before the Asr prayer. Abu Dawood and At-Tirmidhi.
Just like if you remember when we said he who prays 4 before Dhuhr and 4 after Dhuhr, Allah will what? Take him away from the hellfire. So we said we could make it 4. And here he says that Allah has mercy upon the person if he prays 4 before Asr. It doesn't make it emphasize sunnah, ikhwani. But if you want the reward of the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then keep 4 as well before Asr. And coming to the 1121, please.
Hadith 1121. Ali bin Abi Talib, may Allah be pleased with him, reported, the Prophet ﷺ used to perform 2 rak'ah before the Asr prayer. Abu Dawood.
Right, so we could see here, Ali ibn Abi Talib, he's got 2 riwayat here. First one, 1119, he used to pray what? The Prophet of Allah used to pray what? 4 before Asr. Now he used to pray what? 2 before Asr. Can you see that? So this is just to show you the variety. To show you the variety.